Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to discuss why you should consider investing in Bitcoin and how it can continue to function as a form of money in the future. In recent years, the global economic landscape has been rapidly changing. Trust in fiat currencies, the paper money we use daily, is waning. For instance, as of 2025, the U.S. national debt has surpassed a staggering $36 trillion, causing widespread concern. In this environment, Bitcoin is emerging as a compelling alternative to traditional financial systems. Let's start with a brief overview of Bitcoin. Introduced in 2009 by an anonymous figure group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates without central banks or government control, relying on blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized database that securely and transparently records transactions, making it nearly impossible to manipulate. This system ensures Bitcoin's security and reliability. Think of gold, its value comes from scarcity and trust. Bitcoin is similar, with a capped supply of 21 million coins, making it a scarce asset tailored for the digital age. So, why should you invest in Bitcoin? The first reason is its role as a hedge against economic uncertainty. During periods of high inflation or currency devaluation, Bitcoin's fixed supply can help preserve value. For example, after the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, governments printed vast amounts of money, destabilizing currencies, and Bitcoin's price surged. In 2021, it reached over $60,000, capturing the attention of investors worldwide. This shows Bitcoin isn't just a speculative asset, but a potential long-term store of value. The second major advantage is Bitcoin's portability and convenience, especially in times of crisis. Consider the Russia-Ukraine war that began in 2022. In wartime, moving physical cash or gold across borders is challenging. Bank accounts may be frozen and card payments restricted. Bitcoin, however, is different. With a hardware wallet or a 24-word seed phrase, you can recover and access your assets anywhere in the world. If you were in Ukraine, you could have safely transferred your wealth to another country using Bitcoin. Imagine needing to move 100 billion won in assets. Simply memorize or note down the seed phrase, cross the border, and your wealth is secure without raising suspicion. This portability is particularly appealing for Korean retirees. Managing assets securely after retirement is crucial, and Bitcoin enables seamless cross-border transfers, free from the constraints of traditional finance. Whether you're planning to emigrate or send funds to children abroad, Bitcoin allows quick transfers without hefty bank fees or complex processes. However, Bitcoin isn't without criticism. Some argue it lacks intrinsic value since it's not a physical asset. This is a valid point, but value ultimately stems from trust and usage, just like gold or paper money. Bitcoin aligns with the rise of the digital economy, and its adoption is growing as digital payments and blockchain technology spread globally. For instance, global companies like Tesla briefly accepted Bitcoin as payment, and El Salvador adopted it as legal tender. These developments highlight Bitcoin's potential as more than a speculative asset. It could become a functional currency. Moreover, Bitcoin's technology is evolving. Innovations like the Lightning Network improve transaction speed and reduce fees, making it viable for everyday purchases. In tech-savvy nations like South Korea, Bitcoin and blockchain adoption could accelerate. How should you approach Bitcoin investment? Start with thorough research. Bitcoin's price volatility requires understanding the risks. Historical price surges in 2017 and 2021 were followed by declines. Suggesting a long-term perspective is wiser than short-term speculation. In South Korea, platforms like Upbit or BitHum make purchasing Bitcoin straightforward. Using a hardware wallet to secure your assets is also essential. Starting with a small investment to learn the market is a prudent strategy. In conclusion, Bitcoin is more than an investment. It's a revolutionary tool for protecting and transferring wealth. For Korean retirees, it offers stability and global flexibility. While all investments carry risks, consulting experts and making informed decisions is key. Bitcoin isn't just a digital asset. It's a gateway to new financial possibilities. Whether it lasts 1,000 years is uncertain, but it's playing a significant role in today's digital economy. I hope this video sparks your interest in Bitcoin. Please like and subscribe, and I'll return with more insights. Thank you.